be sharing 10 easy habits that can help you save thousands of dollars a year. These habits might seem simple or obvious, but when practiced consistently, they can add up to big savings over time. Keep watching. Habit 1. Meal planning and cooking at home. Are you tired of spending money on expensive takeout or dining out every night? One small habit that can save you a significant amount of money is meal planning and cooking at home. First, take some time to plan out your meals for the week. Consider what you already have in your pantry and what you need to buy. Make a list and stick to it when you go grocery shopping to avoid impulse purchases. Cooking at home doesn't have to be time-consuming or difficult. There are plenty of simple and delicious recipes that you can make with just a few ingredients. You can also save time by batch cooking and freezing meals for later in the week or month. Not only will cooking at home save you money, it can also be healthier since you have control over the ingredients that go into your meals. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your family or roommates over a shared activity. By implementing this habit, you can save hundreds of dollars a year on dining out and takeout. So next time you're tempted to order delivery, remember that a home-cooked meal can be just as satisfying and a lot easier on your wallet. Habit 2. Avoid impulse purchases. We've all been there, standing in the checkout line with a cart full of items that we definitely didn't need, but somehow ended up in our cart anyway. Impulse purchases can be tempting, but they can also add up quickly and drain our bank account. So, how can we avoid falling victim to impulse buys? One tactic is to take a step back and ask ourselves if the purchase is truly necessary. Do we already have something similar at home that serves the same purpose? Can we live without it? Another helpful trick is to wait 24 hours before making a decision. This gives us time to think about the purchase and decide if it's something we really want or need. It can also be helpful to set a budget for non-essential items. This way, we can allow ourselves to indulge in a splurge every now and then, but within reason. By avoiding impulse purchases, we can save ourselves hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. So the next time you're tempted to buy that shiny new gadget or designer purse, take a moment to think about whether it's a truly worthwhile investment. Habit 3. Shop around for the best prices. We've all heard the saying, time is money, and when it comes to shopping, this couldn't be more true. While it may be tempting to just buy something at the first store we see, taking the time to shop around can lead to significant savings. One easy way to compare prices is by using price comparison websites. These sites allow you to search for a specific item and see the prices at various online retailers, helping you to find the best deal. Another tip is to sign up for emails from your favorite stores. Many retailers will send out notifications about sales and discounts, and you can often find exclusive deals just for email subscribers. Don't be afraid to negotiate either. If you see a price that you think is too high, try negotiating with the store or seller for a lower price. It never hurts to ask, and you may be surprised at how often it works. Finally, consider purchasing generic or store brand items. These can often be just as good as the name brand versions, but at a fraction of the cost. By taking the time to shop around and look for the best prices, you can save hundreds of dollars a year on your purchases. So next time you're ready to check out, be sure to do your research and see if you can find a better deal. Habit 4. Cut back on subscriptions and memberships. In today's world, it seems like there's a subscription or membership for everything. Streaming services, gym memberships, food delivery services, the list goes on. While these things can be convenient, it's easy to lose track of how many subscriptions and memberships we have, and they can add up quickly. To start saving money on subscriptions and memberships, take inventory of all the ones you currently have. Which ones do you use regularly and feel are worth the cost? Which ones could you live without or get by with a lower-priced alternative? Once you've narrowed down the ones you want to keep, consider negotiating for better rates. Many companies will offer discounts or perks to keep you as a customer, so it never hurts to ask. If you're unsure whether a subscription or membership is worth it, try using a free trial before committing. This can give you a chance to see if you'll actually use the service before paying for it. By cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions and memberships, you can save hundreds of dollars a year. So take a few minutes to assess which ones are worth keeping and get rid of the ones that aren't. Your wallet and bank account will thank you. Habit 5. Save on energy costs. Saving on energy costs may not seem like a big deal, but small changes in your energy usage can add up to big savings on your monthly bills. Plus, it's good for the environment and can help reduce your carbon footprint. One simple way to save on energy costs is to turn off lights and electronics when they're not in use. It may seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference in your energy usage and your bills. Investing in energy-efficient appliances can also help save on energy costs. While they may have a higher upfront cost, they'll pay for themselves in the long run by using less energy. Another option to consider is alternative energy sources, such as solar panels. While this may be a bigger investment, it can lead to significant savings on your energy bills in the long term. By making a few small changes in your energy usage, you can save hundreds of dollars a year. So next time you leave a room, be sure to turn off the lights and consider investing in energy. Efficient appliances to save on energy costs. Habit 6. Use cashback credit cards. If you're someone who regularly uses a credit card for purchases, why not earn some money back in the process? Cashback credit cards offer just that. The opportunity to earn a percentage back on your purchases. Before choosing a cashback credit card, it's important to do your research and compare different options. Some cards may offer a higher percentage back on certain types of purchases, such as gas or groceries, while others may have a flat percentage back on all purchases. Consider which card will give you the most cash back based on your spending habits. It's also important to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid paying interest. Otherwise, the interest charges can negate the benefits of the cashback. By using a cashback credit card and paying off your balance each month, you can easily earn hundreds of dollars a year in cashback. So next time you're considering a credit card, be sure to look for one that offers cashback to get the most out of your purchases. Habit E7. Shop secondhand. Shopping secondhand may conjure up images of thrift stores and garage sales, but there are now more options than ever for finding gently used items at a fraction of the cost of buying new. One option is to shop at thrift stores or consignment shops, which often have a wide variety of items including clothing, furniture, and home goods. These stores can be a treasure trove of unique and one-of-kind finds, and the prices are often much lower than what you'd pay for something new. Online marketplaces such as eBay and Poshmark are another great option for finding gently used items at a discount. You can find everything from clothing and accessories to electronics and collectibles. Not only is shopping secondhand a great way to save money, it's also more environmentally friendly. By reusing items rather than buying new, we can reduce our impact on the planet and contribute to a more sustainable future. By incorporating secondhand shopping into your routine, you can easily save hundreds of dollars a year on your purchases. So next time you're in need of something, consider checking out thrift stores or online marketplaces to see if you can find it secondhand. Habit 8. Avoid ATM fees. ATM fees can be a sneaky way that banks and credit unions make extra money, and they can add up quickly if you're not careful. These fees are usually charged when you use an ATM that's not part of your bank's network, and they can range from $2 to $5 per transaction. To avoid ATM fees, it's best to plan ahead and withdraw cash from your own bank's ATM when possible. Many banks and credit unions have a large network of ATMs that you can use for free. If you do find yourself in a situation where you need to use an out-of-network ATM, consider using a bank or credit union that has a large ATM network or that doesn't charge fees. There are also some apps and websites that can help you find free at times in your area. By avoiding fees, you can easily save $100 or more a year. So next time you need cash, be sure to plan ahead and use a free ATM to save some extra money. Habit 9. Cut the cord and say goodbye to cable. Are you tired of paying high cable bills every month only to be limited to a handful of channels that you barely watch? It might be time to consider cutting the cord and switching to a streaming service. Gone are the days when cable was the only option for television entertainment. Now, with the rise of streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime, you can access a vast library of movies, TV shows, and other content for a fraction of the cost of a traditional cable subscription. But cutting the cord isn't just about saving money. It's also about gaining flexibility and control over your entertainment options. With a streaming service, you can watch what you want, when you want, on the device of your choice. No more being tied to a cable box or being restricted to your living room. So, how do you get started? Here are a few tips. Research your options. There are many streaming services to choose from, each with its own unique library of content. Take the time to explore the different options and see which one best fits your needs and budget. Consider bundling. Many streaming services offer bundle packages that include multiple channels or services for a discounted price. This can be a good way to get a wider range of content without breaking the bank. Keep an eye on special offers. Streaming services often offer special deals or promotions for new subscribers, so be on the lookout for these to save even more. Use your existing equipment. If you have a smart TV or a device like a Roku or Amazon Fire Stick, you may be able to use it to access streaming content without the need for additional hardware. By cutting the cord and switching to a streaming service, you can save hundreds of dollars a year and enjoy more flexibility and control over your entertainment options. So why wait? Take the plunge and say goodbye to cable today. Habit 10. Explore the world without breaking the bank. Are you tired of paying top dollar for flights, hotels, and rental cars? It's time to discover the magic of travel apps and websites. Gone are the days when planning a trip meant spending hours on the phone or in a travel agency. Now, with just a few clicks, you can find the best deals on flights, hotels, and rental cars, all from the comfort of your own home. But how do you find the best deals? Here are a few tips. Use price comparison websites. Websites like Kayak and Expedia allow you to compare prices from multiple travel providers to find the best deal. You can also sign up for alerts to be notified of sales and discounts. Look for package deals. Many travel websites offer package deals that include flights, hotels, and rental cars at a discounted price. This can be a good way to save money and simplify your travel planning. Use rewards programs. If you frequently stay at the same hotel chain or use the same rental car company, consider signing up for their rewards program. You can earn points or discounts towards future trips. Consider alternative accommodations. Vacation rental websites like Airbnb or Vrbo can often offer more affordable options for accommodations, especially if you're traveling with a large group. By using apps and websites to save on travel, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. So why wait? Start planning your next adventure today. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now and check the first link in the description for our ebook. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.